Do you do this with your camper van, or would you do this with your camper van? And that is have a daycation. That is to take your camper van something cool for the morning, the afternoon, or the entire day. This video, we're gonna cook breakfast at the marina, my version of the Egg McMuffin. Way better. Join me. This is one of my favorite marina spots here in Palm Beach County, Florida. It's right next to the very famous Old Key Lime House, which we are just coming up to right here. My bottles have gotten loose in the back, hence the rattle. We're gonna go right here to the marina. Let's find a spot. Not bad, let me show you this park job and then let's get cooking. So I backed in, I'm taking up my spot, just at the parking stop, box not hitting. Perfect. If we go around here, this guy can get out. Somebody can fit in here. And I can open up the door and look at the marina. Oh yeah. Like any good home cook, what I like to do is get my mise en place, which is French for get all your stuff together in one place so it's really easy and stress-free to cook. What I'm going to use to cook the eggs for our Princess Muffin, as I call it, which was kind of a recipe we learned from Princess Cruising on Princess Cruise Line. It's a way better version of the Egg McMuffin from McDonald's. What I'm going to use to cook the eggs is this. Maybe you've seen this before. Maybe I haven't. And that is this little doodad right here. This is where the eggs cook. You preheat it in the microwave, and then you cook the eggs in here. You put the lid on top, and you cook it for another about minute and a half, so less than 5 minutes altogether, and your eggs come out perfect for a Princess Muffin. And I also toast, if you will, the ham in here as well. Let me do all that for you here in the van. This is what we call a daycation. We're hanging out at the marina watching people fish. We'll show you that later. Let's get going. First thing we're gonna do is preheat the bottom plate of the egg cooker. We don't put any oil, no butter in here because it gets pretty hot. We don't want to catch fire. It just goes into the microwave for about 2 minutes. Just like that. I'm using my lithium energy system, so this is great. I can run the microwave in in silence, really. This is going to go on after the eggs get ready, so I am going to prep some eggs here, just get them out of the package. If you're not familiar, my name is Scott Watson. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Go Small, Live Large, all about van life 3.0. I've been doing van life since October 2018. If you're into cooking content, if you're into camper van content, you're on the right channel. Please subscribe, help us support our work here. Leave a comment. What kind of breakfast do you make when you're in your camper van, or would you make if you're in your camper van? And share this video with others. All right, we're just waiting for this to heat up. So I'm going to spray just a little canola oil on the egg cooker so that nothing sticks. And then here we go. Even though I'm only doing one muffin, I am going to cook 2 eggs. Let's give it a little seasoning. Salt. Pepper. Let's grab the English muffin. that I've barely heated to accept butter. And these are just sitting in here, preheated. Now we're going to cook it for 2 minutes in the microwave, just like that. 2 minutes, and we'll check and see how they're doing. Let's put a little butter on the English muffin. Trash. Now these would be better toasted, but I'm just going to put a little bit of butter on them. They're soft. Toasted, no doubt, would be better. I'm hungry. I'm in a hurry. Okay, those are ready to go. What I'm going to do is when the eggs are nearly cooked, so I'm going to put the ham on, and then I'll put the cheese on at the very end. And since we do the real deal here, let's go small, live large, we're actually going to plate it on china, not paper plates. All right, let's take a peek. Let's give it one more minute. Sometimes 2 eggs just takes a little bit longer, especially when they're cold, not room temperature, which is typically what I like to cook at. I'm gonna make sure the eggs are cooked before I put the ham on. Ooh, those look pretty good. So this is Maconee. We're gonna do a separate video on what this is and why I use it. The eggs look great. They are definitely not soft any longer, but let's put the ham on and get that browned up just a little bit. So these I'm going to consider are done. They're pretty hot, so I'm going to grab this, get out my spatula thingy. All right, now I'm going to stick this back in the microwave for just a few seconds to melt the cheese, and then we are done with making a princess muffin at the marina, Palm Beach County, Florida. Ooh, that looks pretty good. Let's sit over here on the table. Really, in just a few minutes, and so much more yummy. So much more delicious than an Egg McMuffin. I think why is cheddar cheese, not American, a tavern ham or something similar versus that Canadian bacon, which after you have one of these, you'll never go back to an Egg McMuffin, I'm pretty sure. And look at this view. Pretty awesome. We've already had somebody stop by and say that's the way to do it, and I agree. Let me show you around the marina a little bit. Again, if you get to Florida, West Palm Beach area, this is Old Key Lime House. Very famous. I think it's the oldest waterfront bar in Florida. I may be wrong on that. We got the pelicans out. Folks are fishing. It's a beautiful Sunday morning. So this is the way to do it. Highly recommend doing a daycation, whether you're visiting the zoo, the marina, just having a princess muffin. It's all pretty groovy. Thanks again for watching. Really do appreciate it. Give a thumb up, subscribe, and I like to say get your journey on and peace be with you. We'll see you soon.